The new AI fraud war is here. Deepfakes aren't sci-fi anymore. Calling your phone, showing up in your inbox, and pretending to be your boss. Today, I'm breaking down how companies, banks, and governments are fighting back in 2025 and what actually works. First, detection. Major tech firms are rolling out real-time deepfake detectors that listen for artifacts in synthetic voices and spot face warping frame by frame. Think of it like antivirus, but for audio and video. The second your CEO voice note hits a corporate inbox, an AI flags it, scores the risk, and quarantines the message before anyone wires money. Second, proof of origin. Content credentials, cryptographic stamps that say this video was created here and hasn't been edited. Cameras, editing apps, cloud tools. If the signature's broken, systems treat it as suspect. Third, identity re-verified. Passwords are fading, passkeys, hardware security keys. On phones, liveness checks make you turn your head, blink, say a random phrase. Hard for a deepfake to copy in real time. For high-value actions, new payees, large transfers, banks now require a second channel check. If the request arrives over chat, confirmation happens through a secure app with biometrics, not a link in an email. Fourth, AI firewalls. Every big enterprise tool is adding a security layer that inspects messages and files the instant they arrive. It scores intent, checks sender history, and sandboxes suspicious links. If a voice clone tries to rush a payment, the system slows it down, asks for extra proof, and alerts a human. Real-world examples? Call centers are deploying voice authentication that knows your voice prints and flags clones by detecting unnatural harmonics. Video meeting platforms are adding presence checks so a fake face can't join without passing a secure device handshake in the background. Telecoms are tightening caller ID with stronger verification, making spoofed numbers much harder to use. Governments are moving too. Expect mandatory incident reporting, fines for weak controls, procurement rules requiring AI watermark checks. Public warnings now go out within hours when a new scam trend spikes. Why the rush? Because the scams work. One convincing voice note can cost a company millions, and the tools to make them are getting cheaper every week. Investing in AI security is no longer optional. It's table stakes for staying in business.